Hemi time here at Unique Specialty Classics. 2010 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 Hemi underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front fascia. Grill, this one does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles at just a little over 27,000 is all. This car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We can be reached at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See, it's riding on the polished wheels. Tor red in color, dark slate gray interior. Leather interior, bucket seats, center console. We do have the navigation radio with Sirius satellite, as well as heated seats. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Let's get a good look at the rear of the car. Paint shows well in this one. Tell it's been adult owned, driven, well maintained. And again, take your time looking at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Really have not noticed much of anything for major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little tiny imperfection here or there from a little rock chip or what have you, but they are far and few in between, if any. Does have the protective coating on the top of the hood. I don't know if you can see that line or not, as well as this front fascia. So that's going to help a lot with that light chipping. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. And of course, your interior, modern amenities too, power windows, power locks, mirrors, power seat on the driver's side. That is all working order. Driver's information center, steering wheel controls. Of course, push button start. Stereo is working, obviously. There's your exact miles, 27,000. Needs an oil change, light reset. There's your exact miles, 27,336. You connect. Again, navigation, Sirius, satellite radio, top of the dash. Of course, keys with the key fob, not needed with the push button start. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Good sounding car. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. Let's check out this engine bay. Take a look at that 5.7 liter Hemi. Underside of the hood, hood liner. Looks good. Tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. Wow. Well, K&N cold air intake, air filter. What were these? Well, just shy of 400 horse, 372 maybe horsepower, about 400 on the pound-feet of torque. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. And like I said, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nothing to hide in this one, folks. Clean Carfax, a little over 27,000 miles. Remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2010 Dodge Challenger in a bright red with RT stripes. Looks really good. We got a black interior, automatic right on the center console, easy to drive. Excellent acceleration. Tachometer's working, fuel gauge is working. Temperature is just under a quarter right now. We're doing we're doing 55 miles an hour.
Federal Credit Union.
Got a great stereo in here. Very smooth, very comfortable car. Looks like leather bucket seats. White face gauges. Letting go of the wheel. She goes nice and straight down the road. No vibrations, not even much for a wind noise. It's a very quiet ride. Except for that lovely exhaust note. Go around the corner here. Maybe I'll put the window down. You can hear the exhaust a little better. Passenger window is down.